Germany has now introduced the opportunity card, and in this video, I will talk about that. What is opportunity card, the requirement of opportunity card, and how the point system. And also, I will talk about that how you can manage your points in different categories. So let me start that what is the opportunity card. So this is a 1 year work visa that allow to non-European citizens to move to Germany in search of full-time employment. And this opportunity card will be launched in June 2024. And the opportunity card is like a Canadian point-based system. And what is the requirement of opportunity cards? There are two way to get opportunity card. Your educational document fully recognized by the German government, and it will take time about 3 months to 1 year. And when you have your document fully recognized, so you have a 6 point, and the opportunity card need a minimum of 6 point. The second part, you will collect your all point from a four category. Total point should be a 6 point, and you cannot get a 0 point for any category of in any category. So the category is like number one is education and work experience, language skill, age, and previous ties to Germany. So if you have partially recognized qualification, so then you already have 4 points. If you have 5 year or more work experience, then you get a 3 point. If you have 2 year or more point, 2 year or more work experience, then you get a 2 point. Now let me tell you about the next category about the language skill. Now, if you have B2 German, so you have 3 point. B1 German can get you a 2 point. A1 to A2 can get you 1 point, and you can also get additional point if you have C1 level of English. Let me tell you something about your age. If you are 35 or younger, you can get 2 point, and if your age is 35 to 40, so you can get 1 point. Additional, you can also get an additional point if you are married. If you can get a 1 point as well. What document you will provide? So your passport, your CV, and you have to provide recognized certificate, all recognized certificates. So how to apply opportunity card? Just like any other visa, if you like any other visa, you can apply this opportunity card. Like and you can go to you can prepare these all the point, and you can recognize all of your qualification by the German government, and also then you will make your appointment in embassy, nearest embassy, and then you can go to like same and like any other visa. So you can get your visa. There is 90 days before you can go. You can get your appointment, and then maybe if you have any issue to submit your application, if you have any problem, so you can contact me as well. You can mail your CV, you can mail your documents. I can give you all the relevant information as well. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring a more informative video. And if you are eligible, if you can, if you your point, if you need to calculate your points, so then you can also send your CV to me. I will calculate, and I will give a better advice to you that you can apply for this opportunity card or not, you are eligible or not. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to send your CV. We will make a different video where you can easily get Germany, where you can easily get to abroad in your work visa if you need a work visa. So all the processing, all of your you can get your way here in this channel. So thanks and take care.